Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your edit smoother with the speed grab on CapCut. So here I've already opened my projects on CapCut and I add two videos. So the first thing that you need to do is click on the first video and go to speed. Click on curve, then click on custom. Edit. Now set the speed like this. So I'm going to remove the beat first, the middle one. So first, for the first one, make it up here, then the second and the third one, lower it like this, and like that. You can see now the video will look like this. And here you can choose better quality. Click on the check icon, then apply the same speed grab for the next clips. Okay, I'm going to select the second one and do the same. Okay, like that. Better quality, and wait for it to apply to the clips. So it has been applied. Just click on the check icon, then you can play it to see the result. And that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.